The #1 rated bagged vacuum in the industry is the Kenmore Elite Pet-Friendly Upright. Dirt and debris are no match for the beltless inducer motor, which is 20% more powerful than conventional Kenmore uprights. The power flow design helps air flow evenly as the bag fills for optimal power and performance, so you have the power you need to get the job done. From plush carpet to hardwood, the Kenmore Upright has a 5-position height adjustment for varying floor surfaces. An infrared dirt sensor sees dirt that you don't by activating an LED, so you know when the floors are clean. The Kenmore Upright has also been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. The HEPA media filtration traps dust, dander, and pollen while capturing 99.97% of irritants as small as 0.3 micron, so exhaust air is cleaner. Kenmore's HEPA-certified cloth bags add another layer of filtration, so cleanup is virtually dust-free. A telescoping wand and attachments tackle all the hard-to-reach areas in your home. And the Pet Handi-Mate easily lifts away stubborn pet hair. The #1 rated Kenmore Pet-Friendly Upright Vacuum. Kenmore, be amazing.
Introducing the new ZWILLING Fresh and Save Vacuum Food Storage System. Keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer. The compact vacuum pump makes for easy use in storage. Save food, save money, and save time.
If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its simple plug-in design, soft touch control panel, and LED indicator lights. It features 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Dry for solid food items, and moist for marinated, simmered, or steamed foods. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the air hose, a cork wind stopper, along with 5 medium vacuum bags and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Both bag styles are waterproof and reusable, so you're ready to seal, store, and save as soon as you have the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer in your kitchen. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic air sealing system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Be sure it isn't too far up or down and reduce any excess liquid in the bag. Lock the lid into place and touch the seal button to begin sealing. Once the LED light turns off, your bag is sealed. Cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Once you've filled your bag, choose from 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation: dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate foods that require less compression. The NutriChef also comes with an air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, the best way to keep your foods fresh and your kitchen clean.
Kenmore pet-friendly, lightweight Vide Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Removes ground and dirt from carpets and effectively cleans hard floors, stairs, and more. Vacuum traps 99.97% of dirt inside your vacuum, keeping it out of the air you breathe. Automatic cord rewind retracts 26 feet of cord with a push of the button. Access difficult areas with 9.5 feet of extended reach. Detachable handle is perfect for cleaning furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces. Kenmore pet-friendly, lightweight Vide Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Removes ground and dirt from carpets and effectively cleans hard floors, stairs, and more. Vacuum traps 99.97% of dirt inside your vacuum, keeping it out of the air you breathe. Automatic cord rewind retracts 26 feet of cord with a push of the button. Access difficult areas with 9.5 feet of extended reach. Detachable handle is perfect for cleaning furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces.